In this video, we'll be showing how to display or format numbers as currency using the format method. So I'm going to start off by declaring a variable called amount and assigning to it the amount 98765.4321. And I'm going to add the formatted value in a variable called formatted amount. We will then create a string with a placeholder. That's where the formatted value will be replaced with. We'll start with a colon to start specifying our formatting style. And then we'll add a comma. Now that comma is what adds the commas as 1,000 separators. We then specify or keep the number at 2 decimal places for floating point numbers. We will then call the format method for that string object, passing the variable amount to it. And now we can print out our formatted amount to see what we get. So here is what we actually got. So we notice that we, for every 3 digits from the right, we get that comma. So if I add 2 more zeros, let's run out again. That's what we get. So again, for every 3 digits from the right, we get 1 comma. So that's what we were able to do here. Now, if you wanted the dollar sign, you can just print or type in the dollar sign right before the beginning or the start of the placeholder. So you will get your output as such. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful to you, and I'll see you in the next one.